Okay, hi Healy friends and family. This is part 2. So after listening to the first part, which is about using Healy programs to support hip pain, so now we are going to look at MagHealy. All right, so MagHealy program that will support the hip growth. Okay, so here under MagHealy classic programs, okay, now these programs here are actually very good. Okay, so cell here basically is to regenerate all types of cells. Okay, so this is to activate the function of all the cells. Regeneration here is actually to produce new cells, okay, which is similar to the vitalization, so you can actually use this. Okay, so vitality as well. So vitality will be the energy and all that which the body needs. Then you can use the joints. Okay, joint here is for the hip. Okay, now sleep is also very good because it is during sleep. So sometimes the elderly, they don't sleep very much or they don't sleep well at night. Sleep is actually necessary for bone growth because if you look at a baby, right? So babies sleep all the time, so the body is at rest. So when the body is at rest, that is when the most regeneration will take place, okay? Because that's where hormones and all that will be activated. Okay, so you can also use sleep like this. Then there are, you don't need the atmosphere, so underwater activation, nutrient transport here. So this is to increase the supply of nutrients to the cells. Okay, so they can drink the water that's related to the cells as well. Okay, skin here is for the cartilage. Okay, so you can do this. And then for the pain, very good for the pain is actually the MagHealy. So under MagHealy, okay, you can use skin, which is for the cartilage, the soft bones. The soft tissue is for the muscles, tendons, ligaments, tendons, and muscles around the joints. Then you can use this joint here. Okay, if not, actually you can also use the lower back, but you place it nearer to the hip, that instead of placing it at the backbone here, you place it nearer to the hip that is giving the pain and the problem. Okay, so tendon, all this is to hold all the joints in place, so you can also use tendons. Okay, MagHealy programs are very good for regeneration or degeneration because MagHealy deal or help a lot of professional athletes. So professional athletes, they have injury, they have falls, they have fractures, they have pain, they have tears inside the body. So all these programs here, okay, is specialized for recovery from internal injury. Okay, so these are all good to go. Okay, so although you may say that, hey, this is not this kind of joint, but basically all the joints have the same kind of tissues and cells. Okay, so they would be responsive to this kind of bone programs. All right. Okay, so then you have the ovary over here, which is for the estrogen. Okay, the estrogen hormones. Yeah, so you can use this to support and to help as well. All right, so thank you for listening. So these are the MagHealy programs that I would recommend for hip bone regeneration and also for all kinds of joint regeneration. Thank you for listening.